Did you know that over 1 in 3 adults worldwide now have higher than normal blood sugar levels, a condition known as prediabetes? Even more alarming, many don't even realize it. With the rates of type 2 diabetes rising steadily each year, managing blood sugar has become a major public health challenge. It's a silent epidemic, one that affects energy, mood, and long-term health, yet often goes unnoticed until serious complications develop. So, how can we take control? While medication and exercise play important roles, many experts are asking, could something as simple as a handful of pistachios make a measurable difference in blood sugar management? Let's dive into the world of pistachios, a small nut with a growing reputation for big health benefits. For centuries, pistachios have been enjoyed as a tasty snack, but recent research is shining a light on their potential to be a powerful ally in the fight against blood sugar spikes. The idea is as intriguing as it is promising. Could adding pistachios to your diet help keep your blood sugar in check? It's worth understanding why this matters so much. Blood sugar problems are more than just a medical issue. They impact daily life for millions. High blood sugar can sap your energy, cloud your thinking, and increase your risk for heart disease, vision loss, and nerve damage. Diabetes, in particular, is now one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Even for those who haven't been diagnosed with diabetes, maintaining stable blood sugar is crucial for preventing future health problems. In this environment, people are constantly searching for practical, effective dietary solutions that fit into busy lifestyles. Enter the humble pistachio. What makes pistachios stand out compared to other nuts or snacks? For starters, their nutritional profile is impressive. Every small, crunchy nut is packed with a blend of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, 3 key nutrients that work together to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Let's break that down. First, fiber. Pistachios are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber acts like a sponge in your digestive tract, soaking up sugar and slowing its release into your blood. This helps prevent the spikes and crashes in energy that come with rapid sugar absorption. Just a 30-gram serving of pistachios, about a handful, contains nearly 3 grams of fiber, which is more than many popular snack foods. Next, protein. Pistachios are higher in protein than most nuts, providing about 6 grams per serving. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, but it also plays a key role in blood sugar control. When paired with carbohydrates, protein helps slow digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. This can help reduce cravings for sugary snacks that cause blood sugar to surge. Then there's healthy fat. Pistachios are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, the good fats that support heart health. These fats don't just lower cholesterol, they also help moderate the absorption of sugar from the foods you eat. When sugar is released slowly, your body can use it more efficiently, preventing dangerous highs and lows. But nutrition facts are just the beginning. What does the science actually say about pistachios and blood sugar? Over the past decade, researchers around the world have investigated this question, and their findings are compelling. One landmark study, published in the journal Diabetes Care, followed adults with prediabetes who added pistachios to their daily diet. After 4 months, those eating pistachios showed significant reductions in fasting blood sugar and improved markers of insulin sensitivity compared to those who didn't include the nuts. These benefits were seen without significant weight gain, suggesting that pistachios can be part of a healthy diet, even for those watching their calories. Another clinical trial in people with type 2 diabetes found that eating pistachios as part of a balanced diet led to lower blood sugar levels after meals. Scientists believe this effect is due not only to the nutrients in pistachios, but also to their unique combination of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which may help improve how the body responds to insulin. Experts are taking notice. Registered dietitians often recommend pistachios as a smart snack for people concerned about blood sugar. Dr. Joan Sabaté, a nutrition researcher at Loma Linda University, notes that the fiber and fat in pistachios help slow the absorption of carbohydrates, making them a great addition to meals or snacks that would otherwise cause a rapid rise in blood glucose. The benefits don't stop at blood sugar. Pistachios are also rich in vitamins and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, all of which are important for overall metabolic health. Regularly consuming pistachios has been linked to lower cholesterol, reduced inflammation, and even better eye health thanks to their antioxidant content. Of course, no single food is a magic bullet. Pistachios should be seen as part of a bigger picture, a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, vegetables, and fruits. But for those looking for simple, effective ways to improve blood sugar control, pistachios offer a convenient and enjoyable option. Because they're portable and require no preparation, they fit easily into a busy lifestyle, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. It's also important to choose unsalted or lightly salted pistachios to avoid excess sodium, which can impact blood pressure. And while pistachios are nutrient-dense, they're still relatively high in calories, so portion control is key. A small handful, about 1 ounce or 30 grams, delivers health benefits without overdoing it. Let's recap the key takeaways. Blood sugar problems are increasingly common and can have serious consequences for long-term health. Pistachios, thanks to their unique blend of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, may help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes after eating. Clinical studies and expert opinions support the idea that incorporating pistachios into a balanced diet could be a practical way to help manage blood sugar, especially for those at risk of prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. In addition, pistachios offer a range of other health benefits, from supporting heart health to providing important vitamins and minerals. So, the next time you're looking for a snack that's both delicious and good for you, consider reaching for a handful of pistachios. Not only might they help satisfy your hunger, but they could also play a part in maintaining steady blood sugar and supporting your overall health. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about the science behind everyday foods and better health, don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based insights and practical tips. Remember, small changes, like choosing pistachios for your next snack, can add up to big improvements in how you feel every day. Thanks for listening, and take care of your health, one bite at a time.